We are talking about genius. What is the genius and what is we can do with the genius? Genius, maybe you have watched the movies about the genius. It's like what you want and your dream that you want to wish about, and you will get it just asking. When you ask, the genius will give it to you. Whatever that you want in your life. Genius is very important, but it's really happen in our real lives, or is it real that we can apply, like the movies they are talking, or they are do it for us to watch. It really happens. Exactly 100% it happens. Genius, it's work. What you are wants, you need to ask genius. Genius is some kind of the universe that you can ask what kind of everything you want in your life, and you will get it. It's very, very amazing. But some people, they may not believe on the genius. But in the real life, many success people, they apply this to their daily lives. The genius in your mind, and you need to asking the genius. It's like some kind of your subconscious mind that is inside that you cannot use them. But if you can use it, your life will be different from other people. It's better and faster achieve in what you want to get in your life. This is the key, and how the genius that we can asking, or what is the period, the situation that can ask genius. It's the right time for genius that we can ask and get those things. The genius, when you feel terrible or worried or you feel sad, it's the very important time, very right time for you to ask genius to get what kind of your thinking, what kind of your dream or goal that you want to achieve in your life. When your worries, your feeling is inside, plus your subconscious mind, plus your thinking together, you feel wow, everything is come from your inside. That is the time for you to ask genius to get what you want in your life, because genius never come out. It just come out like the time I told you. Sad, terrible, worry, unhappy feelings, or angry. That is the right time for you to ask genius to get what you want. If you do not believe, you just apply. When you have those kind of feeling, you ask genius what your goal, and you will see what happen next. Just apply it. If you do not believe me, applies to your life. And what kind of food that genius need? Genius also have provide something for us, but they also need food for themselves too. So the food of genius is happy. When you feel happy, genius is also happy. And you feel sad, genius is not large. Genius is large, happy and happy. Positive thinking, positive mindset, positive idea, positive opinion, positive speaking. That's all the kind of genius food. And if you do not believe me, you can tap on the YouTube and tap on the genius what kind of genius and how can we apply and do with genius, and you will saw many videos talk about the genius. This will really happen. Hello guys, you know that I always upload my video every day, and my video is talking about entertainment and education. And if you want to get more, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel here.